revolved around you now. It's trapped inside the pain. Maybe I should stay in the dark after you battered to a place so far away. Now all those crazy thoughts